Welcome back to Titan Tech. We've got a lineup of trucking chaos and extreme hauls that push the limits. This episode is packed with heart-stopping moments, so don't blink. One miscalculated or one and it's
Сука!
When a tension cable breaks, it's not just metal snapping. It's a warning shot from the machine.
Bitte transparent, white shadow und die Art
4.5 tons of diesel thunder, and it's still launched like a rocket. That's not farming, that's mechanical warfare. Science is amazing. Venting a tank car before emptying it is crucial for safety. Without it, pressure can build up, risking explosions or damage. Rescuing the malfunctioning loader on a steep slope was a daunting task that demanded pinpoint precision. Everything seemed to be on track, and the team was just steps away from success. But at the very last moment, an unexpected failure struck, nearly undoing all their efforts. From custom axles to modular platforms, every Newt Boom component is built to handle the wind industry's biggest loads. This ain't a drag strip, buddy. Seeing the Kiravet's K700 jump is fascinating, but it's pure physics. The tires lack sufficient traction on roads, a common problem for 4x4s. When all wheels spin equally but don't grip, especially on inclines, that's when the bouncing begins.
Вижу.
An emergency operation was launched to dismantle a damaged high-rise tower crane. After scavengers vandalized it at an abandoned construction site, the crane dangerously leaned toward residential buildings. Experts were called in to carefully dismantle it in the safest possible direction. With its condition beyond repair, every move had to be meticulously planned to avoid further risks. If you're filming the first drive of your Taycan, make sure it's not also the last. Talk about a game changer. Nosrit E Midariti AS isn't just moving chemical columns. They're setting new standards in transport. With 400 wheels and 750 tons in motion, this transport, years in the making, is one for the history books. Truly a feat like no other. Box van from 1980, pulling front wheels like it's auditioning for Fast and Furious, delivery drift.
На что рассчитывал водитель этого КамАЗа, который на уклоне, грунт в кузове. Невооруженным глазом видно, что КамАЗ накренило. Водитель не обращает.
During the unloading process of long-bodied, high-capacity dump trucks, there is always a risk of destabilizing and tipping the vehicle, especially on surfaces with horizontal slopes. In this case, the reasons for a dump truck tipping over include unloading on an inclined surface with a slope angle exceeding the permissible limit, soil subsidence under the wheels on the heavier side, which increases the tilt of the vehicle, and a high lift speed of the dump bed, where goods do not have enough time to empty from the top, and the operator cannot make a quick decision to stop the unloading process. It may be necessary for the truck operator to undergo further training to improve their professional skills and ensure safety. Oh boy, this is a textbook example of why drivers shouldn't rely solely on GPS. Attempting a U-turn under a low bridge instead of carefully backing out was clearly the wrong choice. The better approach would have been to stop, assess the situation, and either back out cautiously or call law enforcement for assistance. Little patience could have saved a lot of trouble here. Chimney demo near a chemical plant. That's precision over power. One bad angle, and you're cooking more than gas. Alalas executed the precision move of an 85-ton, 54-meter superspan gantry from Lampney to M25 Junction 28 using a bolster setup, 4 front and 6 rear axles. The bespoke securing system ensured structural integrity. Once installed, it spans 8 lanes, enhancing traffic management infrastructure. Built like a tank, steers like a boat, climbs like a goat, Chapel in full form. Wind farms are always in the most remote spots, and hauling those massive turbines is no small task. These clips show Silvasti tackling wind energy projects in Sweden. It's not just a job of moving point A to point B, it's a team effort, and it's impressive to watch. That's what you get when 6 times 4 meets 100% right foot and 0 fear. These AL trucks are like giant warriors of the road. They feature powerful 16-liter Volvo Penta engines delivering 700 horsepower, paired with Kessler axles and robust Allison transmissions. What sets them apart is their electronic linkage, allowing the lead truck to seamlessly command the others. During testing, one truck pulled 300 tons up a 14% incline, while another astonishingly pulled over 500 tons up a 7% slope. Each truck weighs 72 tons, yet when they move together, they resemble a train without tracks, where every movement depends entirely on the hands of the driver. "60 tons, 40 meters long, rolling through the icy dark. Precision hauling at its finest. A Hola's team makes it look routine." Derailments are a sign of engineering failures, whether from tracks, vehicles, or human error. Proper checks and technology could help avoid this costly mistake. When MTZ meets Raba, it's not just pulling, it's a symphony of torque and steel. Transporting a 220-ton transformer from Thessaloniki to Bitola was no small feat. Loaded with precision via a ship crane on 16-axle trailers, the journey involved overcoming critical route challenges. The final step, unloading with hydraulic tools and elephant feet for precise placement. Hilux might have more ponies under the hood, but Land Cruiser's torque and weight will make it a fight for the ages. That bus driver is definitely getting their license revoked after this. It seems the truck experienced a severe technical failure. It's possible that condensation from the air compressor blocked the air lines, leading to this hazardous situation. The explosion was so intense that black smoke rose high and snow from the roof came crashing down, a stark reminder of its sheer force. Fortunately for the car nearby, it wasn't on the same side as the blast. Imagine driving down a dangerous road with this beast, the Liebherr LTM 1070-4.1. At 70 tons and powered by a 367 horsepower diesel engine, it's built for strength and precision. Its 50-meter boom, extendable with a 16-meter folding jib, towers over everything. The design even includes rear storage for essential tools like a mobile workshop. Watching it handle tricky terrain makes you appreciate the engineering and the skill of those behind the wheel. The excavator's tracks have no grip on the ice with virtually zero friction. Surfaces like these seem more suited for ice skating than for working. When transporting two hefty machines like the SM 636 and 655, always ensure proper load distribution. This isn't about speed, it's about endurance. The truck's tires are working overtime just to keep the momentum going. The Fuso 350's crane has to find the perfect balance between power and precision, or the whole operation could go sideways. Karma comes swiftly.
Ayağımdan kesin ama. Ay молодец. Toxtadı.
Wow, lifting 26 tons plus 14 more with a single 25-ton crane? That's impressive. It's a real test of the crane's strength and precision. Every movement has to be perfect to handle such a heavy load without tipping the scale.
Sak bol Kuzey. Elhamdülillah.
It may appear like a mother tenderly bathing her child, but it's far more complex than it looks. The water that damages the engine block comes directly from steam generated by issues with the radiator or other malfunctions. For any damage to occur to the block or cover, the boiling point must rise above 100 degrees Celsius. Once that happens, the engine is already in jeopardy. Wow. A 90-ton Volvo and a fully loaded Mercedes-Benz weighing in at a massive 260 tons combined. Yet the Volvo is the one taking charge. That's a powerhouse performance right there. Hats off to Volvo for proving why it's a name synonymous with strength and reliability. Cat backhoes are famously versatile. But the issue is, not every operator knows how to fully utilize all its features and apply them so seamlessly in real-world scenarios like this. What a smooth and impressive maneuver. You make the problem, you fix it. The 8DC11 V8 engine offers high torque at low RPMs, ideal for urban logistics. When paired with Fuso's compact cab-forward chassis, it ensures effective maneuverability on narrow roads without sacrificing load capacity. Who needs a jack when you've got jokey mobile Hebut? This guy's lifting tires like it's no big deal. Pure strength and technique in action. And here they are, folks. Two Raba trucks in Balsan tearing up the dirt as they conquer obstacles with ease. It's a showdown of power and precision. This is what hard work looks like. Whoa, climbing a 6-foot vertical wall in a Humvee isn't just about horsepower. It's about torque, balance, and mastering those extreme off-road skills. 45,000 pounds of steel is no joke. This safety stand down proves how critical it is to respect the power of materials and the safety protocols that prevent accidents. what an incredible display of skill. This International Prostar TA sleeper truck tractor, powered by a Cummins ISX 450 15-liter engine, fits through the door with almost no room to spare. It's a brilliant showcase of exceptional control and spatial awareness. Only a true master of the craft could pull off such a flawless move. Facing a river's forceful current, the driver took a calculated risk and emerged victorious. This video is a perfect example of how simplicity in design can achieve remarkable things. The Kamaz truck is a testament to old-fashioned reliability. No electronics needed, just raw mechanical power. Keep the air filter intake above water, and this diesel engine won't miss a beat. Imagine a gigantic Class Jaguar 970 roaring through the fields, while little ones steer their Raleigh Toys corn choppers in the same field. It's a playful dance of power and imagination, where fun meets farming, and big machines become part of childhood dreams. The key to successful truck recovery isn't just strength. It's all about caution, careful planning, and working together as a team to ensure everyone's safety. Menzie Muck, a 91 equipped with power tilt and a standard bucket, excels on steep vineyard slopes. Its spider chassis adapts to rugged terrain, ensuring stable and precise operation despite the challenging incline. Wow, that was intense. Which fail stood out the most to you? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.